In a small home, in a small town, two little boys carry a big dream, Mush and Dear. Their father never went to school. Their mother worked hard every day to keep their family alive. But these boys, they carry hope in their heart. They believe that even a little knowledge can change everything. Every day is a struggle. Every step is a challenge. They walk on dusty paths. They beg for water. They beg for knowledge, and yet they never give up. For in their heart, they know learning can bring hope. Learning can bring life. The boys stop for a moment at a small stream or a neighbor yard gate, looking tired but determined it. Mush wiped his brow. Dear sipped water from his cup. They glance at each other silently, nodding, ready to continue. This is their journey, the journey of two brothers who want to change their father's life and their mother's and their home. One letter at a time, one lesson at a time. Under the shade of a tree, their future slowly began. The boys stand up, holding their cup, and continue walking towards the neighbor house. The boy approached the neighbor house, shyly holding out their empty cup, ready for the first lesson of the day.